That's my cat, waking me up early in the morning just to snuggle. So I got up out of bed to snuggle with my cat. Here he goes. Want a face? Are you good? Good. You do much fur anyways. It's my baby. It's my little companion in the morning. I started off making videos for my boyfriend when he's at work, because he always makes me videos when he's at work. And then it just turns out to make videos with me and my cat usually. Say hi, Tommy. Say hello. My name is Tomas, and I'm very, very sexy. Look at the camera. Say hello. Any single kittens out there? Hit me up on my mama's YouTube channel. Oh yeah. Suckering succotash lips. Yeah. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Look at those whiskeys on him. Does he look like Tom off Tom and Jerry? Mama's baby. Give me a kiss.